What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Great to see you here again guys. And today I'm gonna show you how you can earn $5 over and over again just to like pages only on social media and do other things. So this is really great for beginners guys. So let's get into this. But guys, before we can start, remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed it yet, make sure you press the subscribe button. I come up out videos every single day, and that will show you how you can make money online and how to work from home guys, and how you can become an entrepreneur. So hit the subscribe button guys, and if you want to learn how to generate full-time passive income online right from working at home, I highly recommend you to click the first link in the description, my #1 recommended system that teaches you exactly how to go from $0 to $1,000 a day online. It's a 40 minutes pure value webinar that teaches you exactly how to do this step by step. So a lot of people have gone through this system and the results are incredible. So I highly recommend you to check it out guys. So let's get into this. Okay guys, so the website we're gonna check out right now is called picoworkers.com. So this is guys a US based company that was founded back in 2013, and the website offer you a cash for completing short tasks as well as long term going jobs. Okay, so the best thing about picoworkers.com is that most of their jobs are worldwide, so you can do this from anywhere in the world. So I know a lot of you guys are gonna be excited to hear about that. Now to sign up, it's pretty straightforward guys. You guys can just come over here, right here, and just sign up, and all you guys just gonna need you can enter your details, name and email address, and also your country of residence, and you can create a custom profile, a nickname down here, and you can also set up your own profile, write a little bit more about you, and then you guys will be on your way. And you also get $1 just for signing up guys. So up to $1 you can just to sign up bonus for just creating an account. That's cool as well. So there are two sides of this website guys. One is for employees, and the one what is employees do, so they are the ones that are posting the jobs, and then the other side is for the workers that will be producing the small tasks on the website. Okay, so some of the small tasks that you guys will do, that going to be something like Facebook page liking, is like Facebook page liking, Twitter page liking. You guys can watch YouTube videos, and if you want you can sign up for different websites, or you can follow social media accounts. But some of the biggest job that they are available, they're gonna have a bigger payouts. Okay, so you can pay the bigger payouts for doing that bigger jobs. So these are the one that I recommend for you, and those can be things like reviewing website guys, and designing web pages, and testing digital apps or digital products, and then also writing content guys. So now how to do the jobs well, you must first complete the tasks guys exactly how it's instructed by the employer, and then submit your proof of that task, something like a screenshot that you actually done that task, and then you will receive your earnings from there. Okay, so now guys, the most important things now, submitting false proof will result in a red flag on your account, so you definitely don't want to do that. And the multiple flags on your account can result in a termination of your account completely. Okay, so just be careful about that. So how much you can guys earn Well, for something like, you can make up to, guys, somewhere around $30 to $50 a month. Okay, now to get paid you will need a minimum payable balance of around $7, so you can withdraw from there, and you can request payments via PayPal and Amazon gift cards, even a US bank check they will send you, and also a cryptocurrency. That would be awesome, and which is kind of cool. So really, guys, this is picoworkers.com. Go ahead and check it out, and I'll leave the link below in the description of this video. So it is really worth it? Well, I don't know, it's really depend on how much money you guys want to make. So you might not want to make a few dollars a day, and guys, if you want to make $100 a day online, I highly recommend you to click the first link in the description and register for the webinar. It's a 40 minutes pure value webinar, and it's 100% free. That teaches you exactly how to do this online by working at home, and it will be teaches you exactly how to do this step by step. So guys, let's check it out. Thank you for watching, guys, and if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button, and guys, subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't. I upload videos on a daily basis and providing you values through my videos. And guys, if you have any comments, any questions, so feel free to comment in the comment box, and I try to answer them all. For today's, I'm signing off, and thank you so much for watching my video, and I'll see you tomorrow. Have a nice day.